Excel provides a gallery of chart layouts and chart styles. For example, in the ribbon in the Chart Tools Design tab, you can see a gallery of chart layouts. If I hit the drop down, I can see more chart layouts as well. If I click on any particular layout, it will automatically format my chart to that layout. And I'm just trying different layouts. If I want to add a chart style, I'll go to this gallery here, where we have all sorts of color options. And again, if I click the More button, there are more options in this gallery. And I'm just clicking around to try the various styles. So formatting a chart is nice and quick with this collection of styles and this collection of layouts. If you wish to format a chart manually, then you would use the Chart Tools Format tab. You would click on a particular option, such as this line, and you change the shape outline. The shape outline will allow you to choose a different color. If I click on this particular bar, I can go into Shape Fill and I can change the color of the bar. So you can manually format your chart using the Chart Tools Format tab, or you can go to Design and choose one of the styles that have already been put together for you.